the wheel jockey. This is the coupler hitch. And this is the muffler.